Alright, welcome back to another video today. Today, y'all, we're going to be in the new animal company update today, y'all. Today, we are going to be playing the, the arena thingy or whatever, adventure mode. Y'all, this is about to go crazy, y'all. So make sure y'all like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Let me, a public lobby. A public lobby. I hope that just Toasty sees this, bro. I'm gonna 1v1 you, bro. I'll literally cook you. That's no cap. No cap, I'll cook him. Can I join a freaking lobby, bro? Okay, no. I'm gonna stumble down. Alright, we in. Already. What the? Nice. I did not know we're just gonna spawn in. Oh, what the? What the?
One shot.
Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh, wait. Only got one more. Oh, let's get it! Let's get it!
Let's go!
I just joined, so that does not count for me. I just joined, y'all. I did not think it was gonna be like that. Yeah, we gonna play like one more round or two. That's what we're gonna do. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and then I'm gonna be playing Scared about Balloon more later today. Probably at night or something like that, late. But y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned, y'all. It's gonna be super cooking.
I need hope.
11, 10, 9,
you guys are gonna get launched.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Suck on
3,
this.
2, 1. Let's get it. Alright, let's go.
Bro, okay. Why did I almost forget?
Alright, y'all.
Blue team, go. Where your mic?
Still alive! Free. Nothing on the big side.
You be thugging if you think I'm bugging it. On the train.
Got him.
Can you?
My guarding the base again. Bet. Oh shoot! I got a shot.
Come on.
Kill him!
I'm my phone, buddy. Get off my phone, it's blue.
Dang it!
I need to reload.
It's good. We finna go.
How are you one-shotting?
Oh my! What the? What? How? Who is shooting me? Bro! Oh my! Bro, I'm getting spam shot. Oh my God! This is so annoying. Bro, I'm dead. Oh my God, bro. What the heck? Shoot.
They're on top of our area. Shoot him. He's on top of our area. Kill him.
Where is bro? Oh. How did he even get up there? Oh my bro.
Yeah, let's hide.
Got him.
Die. No.
Alright, no, I'm going back.
Everybody kill the guy under.
Let's go. Get it.
Come back. I dodged you that.
There's only 3 more.
Like, it's not safe.
How did I die?
I know, you just like randomly die.
Alright, let's go.
Just like, alright bro, come on. I'm here.
Oh shoot. Oh yeah. No.
Blue, we have a camper. Blue team, we have a camper.
Where?
Yeah, man, we got a camper.
They only have one. Yo. We got a camper.
Let's go! Let's go!
I got it. Let's go.
No, I got it.
No, I got it.
No, I
That's
got
a good
it.
spot.
I'm gonna play another one.
Good spot, though.
Alright, y'all, let's go. Let's go. Alright, y'all. One more round, y'all. One more round for me.
I'm gonna go to the arena. I can actually get there and respawn there, so see you later.
Alright, bro.
Black on the blue team. I'm following the Super Smash. Hey, who's trying to 1v1? I'll tickle you.
Bro, just toasty, bro. Watch this video, bro. I'm finna, bro. I will literally. No! Oh, no, I think I got kicked.
How do you guys survive?
Oh, my bro. I just got saved by that.
Guys,
oh, my gosh.
You can't do
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, my. Duke. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, no! No, I died. My bad, I don't know even. How did I miss that hard?
No matter how much we die. Bro, I'm sorry, it's me. I have to. You're my guest.
Oh my, I need help. I need help. Oh my gosh! Yeah. Alright, let's go.
I know an OP
Okay,
strat.
I'll be hiding in the bushes.
Bro,
I'll be hiding
oh my,
in the
so
bushes.
much of
I got two
over here.
attacks.
Let's go ambush.
Bro, why am I getting killed in one shot? Bro, bro there's too much.
We need to go.
Hey, yo, chill.
Alright, kids, I'm staying on the back.
Hey, yo, freeze! Drop all your weapons! Hey, yo, freeze!
Bro, who are you fed line? Who's bro fed line?
Use shotgun.
Get the heck out of my territory, bro. Nah! Bro, that. Oh my gosh. Are you serious, me? It's good. It's good.
Hey, yo, freeze! You gotta pay your sentence!
Bro, I'm getting one-shotted, bro.
Red is camping. Everybody, red team is camping.
Oh.
Red team is camping. We need to camp.
Oh my gosh, bro.
We need to camp. Kill him. Oh, never mind. He's on level.
Get the heck out of here.
Kill him. Got him.
No.
Yo, get him.
Fast as I want.
These kids are camping. I'm certified
We
campers.
need to camp.
We have campers on our hands.
Hey!
Bro, oh my gosh.
No, now you're your team, man.
We have to
Yo, who wants to
camp.
protect the underground with me? Yo, Black, you want to protect the underground? Yo, everybody in safe.
Hey, come on. Got him. Let's go. I still got some. I still got some though. Ooh, these. Dynamite. Nice.
Hey, yo, freeze. Chill. Hey, yo, chill. Hey, yo, freeze. You freeze. We are blue team. There's a red sniper.
Where?
Hey, yo, freeze.
Oh, what the? How is bro just standing there the whole time and not trying to mine?
Bro, why did it take so many shotgun shots?
Hey, yo, freeze.
Oh my god!
Freeze.
There's so much of y'all, bro.
Oh my god. Yo, guys. Anybody have teleportation?
The one.
Freeze,
What the?
Good job. Good job, bro.
People, come on.
Oh no!
Get him.
Oh my god!
Got him. Let's go. Oh, crap.
Alright, nice.
Thanks.
On that! On that!
You know, I'm kind of doing like these combos.
Rage guy.
Yo,
He's
alright,
raging.
Pete.
Oh no.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna rage. I feel the rage.
Guys, they have 7 left. They have 7 left.
Who is camping?
There's
Oh,
a
it's that
sniper.
kid.
Oh, it's stinking camping. Kill the camper.
Oh my god, the
the
stupid
camper.
camper! Kill the stupid camper!
Yeah, kill him. It's a tree camper. Oh, it's now freeze.
Make sure they're dead. Make sure they're dead.
Oh, let's go, let's go! Oh my gosh, this guy's aim is atrocious. He has to camp in safe zone. Oh my gosh, let's go! Let's go!
How do we keep winning?
Let's go!
Winning. Blue won every single
Alright, y'all, we won. Hope you have an amazing game.
Let's do another one.
Love y'all.
I'm doing another one.
And
I can't